Hi there. Today we will be running through the recent improvements to Snippets which are now able to work with product tags. For this example, as part of our offer of free next day delivery on all Samsung products, we would like to inform customers of this on the product page. This is where Snippets will be the perfect solution. And to achieve this, we'll make use of three parts of the platform. Number one, we will need to access a product in the admin system. Number two, we will access the snippets area, which can be accessed via content. Lastly, we will be working on the product page design template found in BlockLab. So number one, we will start off by giving our applicable products a tag. And for this example, I'm going to use Samsung delivery. And once added, I'm going to click save. Now that the product has saved, we can see the Samsung delivery tag has successfully been added to this product. For the second part, we will then add a snippet and we will give it a name and we will call it Samsung delivery. And for the content, we'll add whatever content we would like to show on the product page. This can be something like free next day delivery. Once we've done that, we will click on save. And we are now ready to progress on to showing our snippet on the product page. So once we are on the product page template in BlockLab, we will click on block, new, and HTML. And in this case, we will then use some code like so as we have here. And the first part here is the name of the snippet, and the second part is the product tag. So number one, we will go into the snippets area and we will copy the name of the snippet. We will then paste it in exactly how it is, as it will be case sensitive. And then the second part is to add in the tag of the product. And in this case, it will be Samsung delivery. And once again, it will need to be exactly the same as we have in the product. Samsung delivery. And we will then click save. And once we have done that, we will then move our block into a position where we would like it. And in this case, we'll move it above the Add to Basket button. We will give it some styling, such as some padding top and bottom, padding left and right, and we will then also give it a background color. Once this has been done, we will then publish our changes and we will then view the product of our choice on the front end like so. As you can see here, free next day delivery shows. If we then locate a random product, for example this one here, the text won't show, and this is simply due to the tag not appearing or the tag not being added to this product in particular. If for any reason the text needed to be changed for the snippet, we can then do this within the snippets area, and as an example, we will add in only UK addresses. We'll then click save, and we will then view the product where it has been shown like so. As you can see here, the snippet has now been updated. I hope this helps. Thank you.